Alright, it's super windy, but we've come to see the lighthouse. Herbie's parents are here, so we are able to finally drive to a place 10 miles out to see the most beautiful view of the island. Well, we can't go up, but here it is. It's a shame everything's closed for the season. Maybe someday we'll come back. We did get to see it in the way it was intended, from the ocean.
Our new generator arrived, so we're going to get it all set up, that way we can use it to power our boat as we cruise along. Alrighty, so we're going to get the new generator unboxed, that way we can use this to power our electric motor as we continue cruising. So first thing is obviously go through the manual, read it, check it out, make sure we understand what's going on. Then we're going to add oil, put some gas in this, and get it fired up. Alright, so I went through the manual, read everything. We're going to get the oil put in the new generator, get some gas in it, and fire it up, see how it works. Obviously I'm going to do this outside, that way we don't die from carbon monoxide poisoning. And it's dark outside, so the footage might be a little funky because I'm going to be using our little lantern to illuminate what's going on. First time we've turned on the generator ever. It's its first startup, and we're letting it warm up because it's about 50 degrees outside and it's really cold and it needs it. So we're gonna let it warm up and then we'll put a load on it, see how it works, make sure it does what we need it to do. As far as the exhaust fumes, I have it so that the muffler is dumping off the back of the boat, and the way we're tied up in the marina, the wind's actually blowing at our bow, so it's gonna blow right on out. It's actually coming from the angle, it's about this angle, so it's just gonna take the exhaust fumes right off the boat. We do have the carbon monoxide sensor set up, so if any gases are coming in, we'll be alerted, but otherwise it should be pretty good. So far a success. This is our Honda 2000, we got it running, and this is right up next to it, so it's still loud, but it's really quiet by comparison. So that all works. I'm gonna put a load on it and then we'll shut it down. Hopefully it should be good to go tomorrow. This morning was supposed to be a very, very calm morning, and when we woke up it was actually blowing 22 knots. So very different from the forecast, which said it should be around 8 to 10 knots. Now it's 10 a.m. and the winds finally have calmed down, and it looks like they're going to continue to calm down. So we're gonna get the boat ready and get untied and get on our way.
Motor sailing in style. Yep. We turned the motor off and we're going 6 knots.
Yeah, the generator's just inside the generator.
The generator is just still going so that we can continue to charge. Doesn't feel like we're going fast because the waves are coming with us.
Yeah, fair winds and following sea.
Wonderful. We never have that. Super cold out, so I think that means it's time to fire up our trusty Dickinson heater. It's really easy. A couple minutes ago we turned the little knob on the bottom that allows the diesel to flow in, and now I'm just going to open up the little window and light up that diesel. So it's lit, it's burning nicely, and now we have awesome heat. It's a really wonderful little guy. Trusty never fails us and provides so much heat, it's almost too much. We'll be in our t-shirts in a couple minutes.
with the generator, we are now able to live more like civilized humans. So we still have our little solar powered pump action shower that we use. The problem is right now it's about 45 degrees outside and there is no sun. It's been cloudy for a couple days, so there's no way we're gonna get any hot water that way. But with the generator, it's able to charge the batteries for the motor bank to give us more range, charge the house banks to keep the fridge running, and power the water heater. So tonight we're gonna get civilized hot watered showers in the shower. Can't wait. And we fired up the diesel heater, and now I'm in a t-shirt and it's 45 degrees outside. So it's quite nice and toasty warm. And with the heat shield, I went out with the heat gun to check everything. The heat shield inside the dinghy is about 230 degrees, and then just above the heat shield, the dinghy itself is 56 degrees. So it is warmer than the exterior temperature of 45, but still quite cool.
This town is incredibly voter friendly. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to become a sailing buddy, you can click the link down below to our Patreon account.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and when you click subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell in the annotation. That way you get notifications as soon as our next video is uploaded.
Thanks so much!